We have all been there. Doubt creeping in, fear taking over, and that voice inside the head telling you can't do it. But here's the truth. आप कर सकते हो. Yes, you can. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can break through that self-doubt and fear. If you're tired of feeling stuck and if you're ready to overcome your fears and self-doubt, keep watching this video. These 5 steps can change your life. Step 1. Acknowledge the fear and self-doubt. We all have them. Denying them or pretending that they don't exist only makes them stronger. So instead, face them head on. Understand that fear is not your enemy. It's a signal that's alerting you to take an action and work on something. Ask yourself, what am I really afraid of? What's the worst thing that can happen today? Once you acknowledge your fear, you begin to take away its power and shift the power to use. Step 2. Reframe your thoughts. Self-doubt often comes from negative thinking. Instead of thinking that I can't do this, मुझसे नहीं हो सकता, मैं किसी काम का नहीं हूँ, change your mindset to how can I do this? Shift from a place of fear to the place of curiosity. Because every challenge you face is an opportunity for you to grow. So instead of taking it as something that will break you, see it as something that will only make you stronger. Step 3. Take action. Yes, even if it's a very chotu sa small action. Action is the antidote to fear. When you act, even in the smallest of ways, you prove to yourself that you can move past any of your doubts. The key is to break down your goals into tiny and manageable steps. Each small action will push your fear and self-doubt further away. Self-doubt. Surround yourself with positivity. Positive people, positive books, everything positive. The people you spend time with and the books you read really matter. So surround yourself with such people and such books that uplift you, encourage you, and remind you of your potential. Pursue a hobby or something that you really loved as a child. Because when you're around positive energy, it's easier to believe in yourself and shut down the voices of any kind of doubt. Step 5. Be kind to yourself. Self-doubt often comes from the pressure we put on ourselves to be perfect. Always remember, perfection is a perception. So perfection doesn't exist. Instead, try to practice self-compassion. Always remember that somebody trying to achieve perfection will only shoot for 2 to 3 hours and end up deleting all of the stuff, all of his hard work, all of his other hard work, and then will end up going to zero. But somebody who is imperfect and still take an action, still post it, will get views and will reach farther.